The Google Pixel 11 is already surrounded by leaks and rumors, but one feature is getting more attention than anything else, and also the most criticism. It's called Pixel Glow, and at first glance, it might look like just another flashy gimmick. But looking deeper, this feature could actually become the Pixel's biggest strength. Pixel Glow is expected to be a new hardware feature built into the back of the Pixel 11. Instead of relying only on vibrations or sound, the phone will use subtle lighting effects to show notifications when it's placed face down. Different colors and patterns could represent different contacts or apps, allowing users to understand what's happening without even touching the phone. Now, many people are questioning this idea. Some believe it's just a distraction from more important upgrades like performance, battery life, or camera improvements. And honestly, that concern makes sense. The Pixel series has already been facing tough competition, especially as other flagship phones continue to improve rapidly. But here's the thing. Pixel Glow is not about replacing hardware improvements. It's about something completely different. Identity smartphones today all look very similar. Most devices are just glass rectangles with slight design changes. Even high-end flagships often feel almost identical in everyday use. That's where Pixel Glow changes the game. It gives the Pixel 11 something unique, something instantly recognizable. A perfect example of this idea already exists. Nothing proved that lights on the back of a phone can become a defining feature. When the Nothing Phone 1 launched, its glyph interface immediately stood out. People didn't just talk about the specs, they talked about the lights. That same idea continued with the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, where the lighting system became even more advanced. Users could assign unique light patterns to contacts and apps. Without unlocking the phone, it was possible to know exactly who was calling or which app sent a notification. That's powerful. Not because it's flashy, but because it's memorable. And that's exactly what Google seems to be aiming for with Pixel Glow. Instead of trying to win only through numbers on a spec sheet, the Pixel 11 could stand out through experience. Reports suggest that the design of the Pixel 11 might not change much compared to the Pixel 10. That means visually, it could feel familiar. But Pixel Glow adds a layer of personality that no spec upgrade can provide. It's not about making the phone faster, it's about making it feel different. But Pixel Glow isn't just about looks. It could actually improve how people interact with their phones. Think about daily life. A phone buzzes during work, study, or even while watching something. Instantly, attention breaks. Even without picking up the phone, the mind starts wondering, who messaged? Is it important? That small distraction affects focus more than most people realize. Now imagine a different scenario. The phone is lying face down on the table. Instead of a random vibration, a soft glow appears. A specific color shows up for a specific contact. Just a quick glance is enough to understand the situation. No need to unlock the phone. No need to read notifications. No need to get pulled into endless scrolling. That small change can actually protect focus. Research has already shown that traditional smartphone notifications can interrupt cognitive performance, even if the user doesn't actively check them. Light-based notifications, on the other hand, are less intrusive. They sit quietly in the background and allow the brain to stay focused. Pixel Glow fits perfectly into that idea. It turns notifications from interruptions into signals. But for this feature to succeed, Google needs to do more than just include it. Execution will be everything. If Pixel Glow launches with limited options, just basic colors or simple toggles, it will quickly be labeled as a gimmick. And that criticism would be fair. To truly compete, customization is key. Users should be able to assign different colors to different contacts. Important people could have unique glow patterns. Apps should also have their own light signals, so it becomes easy to tell the difference between a message, an email, or a social media alert. Integration with digital well-being features could take it even further. For example, during focus mode, only priority contacts could trigger the glow. Everything else stays silent and invisible. This is where the real potential lies. Because Pixel Glow is not just a design feature, it can become part of a smarter notification system. Another interesting possibility is expansion beyond smartphones. If Google decides to use Pixel Glow across multiple devices, it could create a consistent design language across its ecosystem. Imagine a Pixel laptop or tablet using similar light signals. Notifications could feel unified across devices instead of being scattered and disconnected. That kind of ecosystem experience is something Google has been trying to build for years. Pixel Glow could finally help achieve that. However, there's one challenge that cannot be ignored. Google has a history of introducing exciting features and then slowly abandoning them. Many great ideas have been left behind after just a few updates. If the same happens with Pixel Glow, it won't matter how good the idea is. Consistency and long-term support will decide its future. Looking at competitors again, nothing managed to deliver a strong lighting system even on mid-range devices. That raises expectations. If a flagship Pixel cannot match or exceed that level of customization and usefulness, users will definitely notice. So the pressure is real, but the opportunity is even bigger, because in a market where every phone is trying to be faster and more powerful, standing out is becoming harder. Pixel Glow offers something different. It focuses on how a phone feels, not just how it performs, and sometimes that's exactly what makes a product unforgettable. If done right, Pixel Glow could become the signature feature of the Pixel lineup, the one thing people instantly recognize, the one thing they talk about, not the processor, not the camera, the glow, and that might sound simple, but in today's crowded smartphone market, simple and memorable is exactly what wins. If this feature delivers on its promise, the Pixel 11 might not just compete with other flagships, it might finally stand apart from them. For more latest tech leaks, smartphone updates, and deep insights like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for upcoming content.